Hi children, welcome back to the class. Hope all of you learned 3-digit and 4-digit numbers. Today we will start a new chapter. I have 9 pencils in my hand. 3 I give to my friend. Now how many pencils remaining in my hand? Yes, 6 pencils. How we got 6 pencils? Yes, by subtracting we got 6 pencils. Our new chapter name is Subtraction. Children, what is the definition of subtraction? Yes, taking away from a number is called subtraction. Children, here is the mind map of chapter 3. Our chapter name is Subtraction. Main topics are subtraction of 3 and 4-digit numbers without regrouping and with regrouping. Next, addition and subtraction together. Then, estimating the difference and properties of subtraction. Children, our first topic is subtraction of 3-digit numbers. Let's illustrate with an example. Subtract 325 from 837. We always subtract smaller number from a bigger number. Here, children, which is the biggest number? Yes, 837 is the biggest number. And children, which is the smallest number? Yes, 325 is the smallest number. Let's illustrate with an example of blocks. Children, our first topic is subtraction of 3-digit numbers. Let's illustrate with an example. Subtract 325 from 837. Children, here, which is the biggest number? Yes, 837 is the biggest number. And which is the smallest number? Yes, 325 is the smallest number. We have to subtract always smaller number from a bigger number. Let's illustrate with the help of blocks. Children, we always start from the ones place. We have 7 and 5 at ones place. We have to subtract 5 from 7. If you remove 5 blocks from 7, how many blocks remaining? Yes, 2 blocks. Now we have to check tens place. We have 3 and 2. If I remove 2 blocks from tens place, how many blocks remaining? Yes, 1 block. Next, we have to check the hundreds place. You have here 8 blocks. You have to remove 3 blocks from here. Yes. You got how many blocks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, hundreds place 5 blocks and tens place 1 block and ones place 2 blocks. Similarly, children, you have to subtract first ones place. 7 minus 5 is 2. And next tens place. 3 minus 2, 1. And 8 minus 3, 5. And what is minuend? The bigger number is called minuend. This is the bigger number. And what is subtrahend? Which number we take that to subtract is called subtrahend. We got answer 512. That is we call as difference. Thus, 837 minus 325 is equal to 512. Children, let's take another example from the textbook. Exercise 3.1b. Subtract 334 from 876. We can write in a chart. First, the biggest number 876 and the smallest number 334. First, we have to check ones place. Ones place we have 6 and 4. So 6 minus 4, 2. And next to which place? Yes, tens place. We have 7 and 3. So 7 minus 3, is it 5? No. 7 minus 3, 4. Next we have to check hundreds place. We have 8 and 3. So 8 minus 3, 5. What is minuend? The bigger number is called minuend. The number to be subtracted is called subtrahend, and the answer of subtraction is called difference. Thus, 876 minus 334 is equal to 542. Children, our next topic is subtraction with regrouping. We have 894 and 238. Here, which place we have to subtract first? Yes, ones place. Here we have 4 and 8. Can we subtract 4 from 8? No. We have to regroup. So, we can borrow 1 from the tens place. So, 9 tens and 4 ones regroup 8 tens and 14 ones. So, 9 and 14. So, ones place now 14 and 18. We have to subtract 8 from 14. What we will get 14 minus 8? Yes, 6. Now we have to subtract which place? Tens place. We have 8 and 3. So 8 minus 3, 5. Next, which place we have to subtract? Yes, hundreds place. We have 8 and 2. What is 8 minus 2? Is it 5? No. 8 minus 2 is 6. Thus, 894 minus 238 is equal to 656. Children, let's take another example. Subtract 457 from 742. We have to check first ones place. 2 is smaller than 7. So, we have to regroup. So, we have to borrow 110 from the tens place. So, 410 become 310 and 2 ones become 12 ones. Now, we have 12 and 7. We have to subtract 7 from 12. So, 12 minus 7, 5. Next, we have to check tens place. We have 3 and 5. Yes, 3 is smaller than 5. So, we have to regroup. We have to take 100 from the hundreds place. So, 7 become 600 and 310 become 1310. 13 tens. So, we have here 13 and 5. We have to subtract 5 from 13. So, 13 minus 5, 8. Now, we have hundreds place. We have hundreds place 6 and 4. So, 6 minus 4 is 2. Thus, 742 minus 457 is equal to 285. Children, our next topic is subtraction of 4-digit numbers. Subtraction of 4-digit numbers follows the same rule as subtraction of 3-digit numbers. Let's take an example. Subtract 7,564 from 9,687. Here which number is bigger one? Yes, 9,687. And next smaller number, 7,564. First we have to check ones place. Ones place we have 7 and 4. So children, 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Next we have to check tens place. We have to subtract 6 from 8. So 8 minus 6, 2. Next we have to check hundreds place. We have 6 and 5. We have to subtract 5 from 6. So 6 minus 5, yes, 1. Next which place? Yes, thousands place. We have 9 and 7. So 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. Thus 9,687 minus 7,564 is equal to 2,123. Children, our next topic is subtraction of 4-digit numbers with regrouping. Let's take an example. Subtract 5,869 from 7,150. So we can write in the chart, and first which number? Yes, 7,150, and second 5,869. First we have to check ones place. Here ones place 0 and 9. 0 is smaller than 9. We can't subtract. So we have to regroup. We have to take 110 from tens place. So 5 will become 4 and 0 ones will become 10 ones. So we have now 10 and 9. You have to subtract 9 from 10. So 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. Next we have to check tens place. Now we have 4 and 6. We can't subtract. This is smaller, 4 is smaller and 6 is bigger. So we have to take 100 from hundreds place. So 1 will become 0, 100, and 4 tens become 14 tens. Now we have 14 and 6. What is 14 minus 6? Yes, 8. Next which place we have to? Yes, hundreds place. We have here 0 and 8. Yes, 0 is smaller and 8 is bigger. We have to regroup. We have to borrow 1 from the thousands place. Now we have to 7 will become 6,000 and 100 will become 100. Now we have 10 and 8. What is 10 minus 8? Yes, 2. Now we have 6 and 5. What is 6 minus 5? Yes, 1. Thus 7,150 minus 5,869 is equal to 1,223. 281. Children, let's take an example from the textbook. Exercise 3.2M. Subtract 2556 from 6230. Which is the biggest number here? Yes, 6230. And which is the smallest number? Yes, 2556. First, we have to check ones place. Ones place we have 0 and 6. 0 is smaller than 6. We can't subtract. So, we have to regroup. We have to borrow 1 tenth from the tens place. So, 3 will become 2 and 0 ones will become 10 ones. Yes, 3 tens and 0 1 regroup 2 tens and 10 ones. Here we have 10 and 6. What is 10 minus 6? Yes, 4. Now which place? Tens place. Tens place we have 2 and 5. Yes, 2 is smaller than 5. So we have to borrow 100 from the hundreds place. So 2 will become here 100 and 2 tens become 12 tens. What is 200 and 2 tens will become 112 tens. Now 12 tens place 12 and 5. What is 12 minus 5? Yes, 7. Now we have 1 and 5. 1 is smaller than 5. So we have to borrow 1000 from the thousands place. So 6 will become 5 and 100 will become 1100. So in hundreds place now we have 11 and 5. What is 11 minus 5? Yes, 6. Now which place is remaining? Yes, thousands place. We have 5 and 2. What is 5 minus 2? Yes, 3. Thus, 6230 minus 2556 is equal to 3674. Children, our next topic is addition and subtraction together. Let's take an example. Here 669 plus 180 minus 472 plus 233. Children, we have to start first from the left side. First we have to add 669 plus 180. We will get one sum. From the sum we have to subtract 472. We will get the difference. We have to add the difference to 233. Children, first we have to add. What is the first number? Yes, 669. We can write. What is next number? Yes, 180. What is 9 plus 0? Yes, 9. What is 6 plus 8? 14. 1 you have to carry forward to hundreds place. So 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. So we got an answer 849. Next which? Yes, minus 472. So we got a sum 849. We have to subtract 472. have to check first ones place. Yes, ones place 9 minus 9 and 2. So 9 minus 2, 7, 4 and 7. 4 is smaller than 7. We have to regroup. So 14 minus 7. What is 14 minus 7? Yes, 7. Here we have 7 and 4. What is 7 minus 4? Yes, 3. Now we got an answer 377. Next, which one? Add 233. So we got the difference 377 plus 233. 7 plus 3, 10. 1 is carry over, and 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 3, what is 8 plus 3? 11. 1 we can write in the hundreds place. So 1, 3 and 2. So 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Now we got the answer 610. Children, our next topic is checking subtraction through addition. We'll take an example from the textbook. Exercise 3.4. Exercise 1. Subtract 263 from 605. First we have to subtract. Which is the smaller number here? Yes, 263 is the smaller number. Whatever we get the difference, we have to add smaller number, then add. We can check the answer is correct or not. Let's see. Here, which place now we have to subtract? Yes, 5 minus 3, 2. Next, which place? 0 and 6. 0 is smaller than 6, so we have to regroup. So we have to take 100 from the hundreds place. So 6 will become 5 and 0 will become 110. So 10 and 6. We have 10 and 6. So 10 minus 6, 4. Now we have 5 and 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. Now we got the difference. Which is the smaller number here? Yes, 263. So what is the difference? 342. So we can check. First the difference is 342. And what is which is the smaller number? Yes, 263. 3 plus 2, 5. 4 plus 6, 10. 1 will carry over. Here 100 place 1, 3 and 2. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. We got the bigger number. Hope you understood how to check subtraction through addition. Children, our next topic is properties of subtraction. 3 properties are there: subtraction 0 from a number, subtraction 1 from a number, subtracting the same number itself. The first one, subtracting 0 from a number, the difference is the number itself. For example, 6248 minus 0 will get 6248. Next property is subtract 1 from a number, the difference is predecessor. What is predecessor? The before number. So here we have 3267. We will subtract 1 from the number, we will get 7 minus 1, 6 and 6, 2, 3. So we got 3267 minus 1 will get 3266. Next property is we subtract from a number from itself, the difference is always 0. We have got a number 2527 and 2527. When we subtract, we'll get 0. Hope you understood properties of subtraction. Children, our next topic is estimating the difference. To estimating the difference, we have to round off the number. You already learned last chapter how to round off the number to nearest tens and nearest hundreds. Let's see an example. 267 and 570. First we can take 267. We have to round off to nearest tens. In tens we have to check which place? Ones place. Is more than 5 comes the number round up to tens place. What is? 270. Next number 570. Is it greater than 5? Yes. It's greater than 5 comes the number round up to nearest tens. 520. Next, how to round off the nearest hundreds? Same number we can take 267. In this case, we have to check the tens place. The tens place which number? Yes, 6. Is it greater than 5? Yes. So, the number round up to nearest hundred, that is 300. Next number 570. We have to check the tens place. Tens place we have 1. Is it greater than 5? No, is less than 5. So, we have to round down the number to nearest hundred. So, 517 round down to nearest 10 is 500. Children, now we can estimate the difference. Here we have 520 and 270. 0 minus 0, 0. 2 minus 2, 2 minus 7. 2 is smaller than 7. We have to regroup. So, we have to take 1, you have to borrow 1 from hundreds place. So, here 400 and here 12 tens. So, 12 minus 7, 5. Now, we have here 4. 4 minus 2, 2. So, we got answer 250. Next, hundreds. We already round up hundreds. So, we have 500 and 300. 0 minus 0, 0 and 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 3, 2. Hope you understood how to estimate the difference between 267 and 570. Children, our next topic is subtraction in real life. We will learn subtraction. We will learn how to use subtraction in our day-to-day life. A shop has 3,543 chocolate bars and 2,212 were sold. How many chocolate bars left in the shops? So, what we need to do? Yes, we have to subtract. How many chocolate bars are there? Yes, 3,543. How many chocolate bars he sold out? Yes, 2,212. We have to find out the remaining chocolate bars. So, we have to subtract. So, first we have to check which place? Yes, ones place. Ones place we have 3 and 2. So, 3 minus 2, 1, and next which place? Yes, tens place. We have 4 and 1. 4 minus 1, 3, and next which place we have to check? Yes, hundreds place. 5 minus 2, 3, Next which place? Thousands place. Thousand place we have 3 and 2. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So we got an answer 1331 chocolates. Dear children, today's class we learned how to subtract 3-digit and 4-digit numbers with regrouping and without regrouping, and estimating the sum, properties of subtraction and addition and subtraction together. All of you study well. We'll meet you in the next class. Bye.